As you see, I'm in avocado tree like a Tarzan, and avocados are still not ready, but they are coming to. This is my garden. Today is a windy day, so I cannot. It is more difficult to make a movie, to make a film, to make a video. But I was thinking. I was thinking to share with you of one story that had happened here the other night. So, as I have maybe told you, now I'm here working in the garden and living here in this house, in the house of my friend. And most of the time here I'm alone. Sometimes comes one worker or one friend of mine, but usually I'm completely alone. And the thing was, the other night, in the nights, like I said, I wake up like at 10:30 and I start meditating. And I meditate, I respond to emails, I practice yoga, I practice kind of Tai Chi, Qigong, standing meditation, I practice martial arts. And I come to this garden to water it. Because I like to do it in the night. I don't know why. I come with my torch, my headlamp, and I'm watering it. It takes me like 1 hour. So the other night I was watering here, when suddenly I see, you see there, well, I will go down the tree. It's a strong wind, right? So I was watering the plants and I see a light in that window. In this window. In the middle of the night, it was like 1 a.m. and I'm saying it will be a thief. Adrenaline, and I knew what to do. I know how these things work, how these thieves work, how these robbers work, because I had to do the same things in my past when I was in this movement, in this sect. I was trained to martial arts and I had to go and rob and commit crimes, and I had to give all the money to the master, and he would tell me, you go and you beat that person, you go to that person. And there were many things I have done. This was the hardest year of my life, but it was the year of change, and it was such a hard time, and so many things, so many paranormal things, that this is the reason why I started my life like I am now, why I went to the woods, why I left for the forest. After that it was a big transformation that I still hadn't shared with you about, but I will tell you. So, I know how these things work, so there was no fear in me. It was a night, and I will show you what I did. I took off my slippers, barefooted, you cannot hear. I left the garden, I didn't close the door, but now these dogs are wandering, so I came here. If thieves come, robbers come in, many times they do not come alone. It's better to come in pair, because one can see that place, one can see that place. And if they come, they most surely will carry some weapon with them. I don't know, like knife or a gun. So I knew that I have to be aware, because if they armed, then it is more difficult. I have to be silent. So I came here like this, hiding myself behind these trees. I come here like this, There's nothing. Then I go here, and these are the doors that lead to that room where the lights were on. But I remember that I have my knife. There was nobody here, so I go like this. Nobody. I will not show you my room because it is a mess. And I have my knife that is kind of impressive to most of the people. And with my knife in my right hand, actually, I come, but it was locked. And I say, yeah, of course, they get into the room, and of course it is good. They lock the door so nobody can enter, and you know, they are more safe, the thieves. So what I do is that I remember that the window can open. If it's not locked, you can roll like this and open the window. So what? Maybe I can open it and get inside from there. So this is how I went. Nobody here. It was the night, all silent, all dark. The hens were not here. Gracias, Sofia. And these are the windows. I come like this, the light is on, everything is silent, the curtains are on, and here it actually opens, you see. So I come here, and I cannot see anything, only light. I stay for a few moments, it looks silent. I inhale, and and here was one guy sleeping. I scared the shit out of him. Yeah. This was the worker that he came to with his tractor, with his machinery to I don't know, to prepare the earth for to plant the sugar cane. So the poor guy I scared the hell out of him. And I didn't wait for his reaction. I closed the window and I left. So this was when it happened. When it was happening, it was adrenaline full, everything. They can kill me, you know, or they can rob the house. And what I'm going to say to my friend, to the owner. So I am responsible. So, but finally now it is funny because it was like it was. And I wanted to tell you this story because some of these stories that I live and some of these stories that are funny to remember. Thank you for listening to my story. There will be more. Take care. Thank you.